Welcome. Today we're diving into a new feature in Google Chrome that allows you to enable picture-in-picture, or PiP, mode for specific websites. This handy update lets you watch videos while multitasking, making your browsing experience much smoother. Let's walk through the steps to allow site PiP permission on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the new features. If you need to check for updates, simply click on the three dots in the upper right corner, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. This will prompt Chrome to update if necessary. Next, navigate to the site you want to enable PiP for. This could be a video streaming service or any website that supports video playback. Once you're on the site, look at the address bar. Now, click on the icon next to the web address. This icon could be a lock or an info symbol depending on the site's security settings. A drop-down menu will appear showing site information. From there, select Site Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various permissions for that specific site. Next, find the section labeled Automatic Picture-in-Picture. Here, you'll see options to manage this feature. Click on it and choose Allow. By doing this, you're enabling automatic PiP mode for videos on this site. Once you've made this change, your settings will save automatically. You can now enjoy watching videos in a floating window while you browse other tabs or applications without interruption. To summarize, 1. Open Chrome. 2. Visit your desired website. 3. Click on the icon next to the web address. Select Site Settings. Change Automatic Picture-in-Picture to Allow. This new feature enhances your multitasking capabilities and ensures that you can keep an eye on your favorite videos while engaging in other tasks online. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with Google Chrome.